Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year. I want to start this year with something very important for all the beginners who want to learn copywriting. A lot of people, especially beginners, ask me this question: do you really earn from copywriting? And I get this question almost most of the time, and sometimes I get irritated by this question a little, but I know I can understand why beginners ask me this question, because you want to know that your effort, your time and your learning will actually pay you off. So that's why I created this channel. In this channel I will guide you step by step copywriting without any distraction and without any hype. This channel is not about showing you big income screenshot or gossiping about that how much you can earn, because that doesn't change your life. Only practicing on one skill and become master of that skill will change your life. And I want to clear something very important. Copywriting is not easy money. It's not shortcut. It's not that you can learn in 7 days and become rich. If that were true, then everybody would already be a millionaire. But real skills take time. But here's the good news. Copywriting is not impossible. It's not that you need to be very creative or talented. You just need to be hardworking, patient, and be constant. Now the question is how beginner copywriter can earn money. Beginner copywriter can earn money by doing these 3 things properly. Study properly. You study properly not by watching random video. You need to understand why people buy and why structure matter more than the creativity, and why copywriting based on proven psychology. Read high converting ads, study different copywriters, and train your mind, follow different patterns to see different patterns. Practice before asking for money. That's where a lot of the beginners fail. You can't skip practice and jump straight to the clients, because every good copywriter write bad copy first. Bad copy is not failure, it's a part of learning. Rewrite ads and practice a headline and learn from your mistakes. That's where skill built. And most important, focus on one specific skill, because a lot of beginner copywriter try to learn everything at the same time, and that actually slow down your process of learning. I learned this very hard way. When you focus on specifically one copy, that's actually increase your chances of earning. And because mastery create value. For example, if you learn how to write a landing page, and more specifically sales page, you can later on write any kind of copy. And if you become master on one skill, even one type of copy, that can change your life entirely, because mastery builds your confidence and create value and create authority. Remember that every expert copywriter was once a beginner, but not every beginner becomes an expert. If you are a beginner, you need to focus on one skill and become excellent at that skill. So that's it for today's video. I upload a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I try my best to stay regular. And in next video I will talk about why you should focus on one skill and why I choose landing page, more specifically sales page. So make sure you subscribe. Take care, keep learning, keep growing.